My name is Harsh, and in this video I'll be telling you more about the intermediate file structure which we have and many people use in Flutter. So we generally call this type of file structure as MVC, which stands for Model View Controller. Now talking about why it is different from the basic file structure. So in the basic file structure we have all the files related to the things which we are doing in the app at one place inside the lib directory. But in this type of file structure, we split the model, view and controller of the project into three different directories inside a source folder, and the main remains the same, which loads the initial screen and runs the run app function or the main function when the app is loading. Now you might be thinking what a model, controller or a view is. So controller is something which controls various different things which are present inside an app. So it can be some data which is to be displayed or some things which are to be shown when we are performing a particular function. So view is generally defined as something which a user sees when he is using the app. So view generally has all those files related to that, and model is the basic structure of the database for a particular field. So for example, if a user, we are talking about a user, so he will be having a string name, integer, mobile number and so on. So in model we generally specify all those things. So this was the basic walkthrough from the intermediate file structure which is used in Flutter. So that is it for this video.